Hello sweetcorns, welcome and welcome back to Corn. It's been a while again. Finally, after 7 years, we are getting One Punch Man season 3. It's airing right now. I watched the first recap episode. It's available free on YouTube, and I can't wait to watch the whole episodes. I'm patiently waiting for its international release. I can't anymore. I'm super excited. Anyways, that's for another video. Today we are going to make some Diwali decorations, and I'm going to make few Diya holders, or you can use them as decorations, or you can use them as candle holder, or however you want. For this project I am going to use my own homemade clay, which is just wall putty powder and water mixture. You can use whatever available to you. I am going to make quite a few of them. You can try what design you like the most. So let's go, my loves. As you can see here, first I sprinkle some wall putty powder, then I am going to roll out my homemade clay. And this roller is just a piece of junk that I found. I don't know what this is. I am using it as the roller and roll out the clay just like a flat bread. Then using the paper template that I made beforehand and pen knife, or you can use cutter, whatever you have, I am going to cut out the clay. You can go freehand here if you don't want to use template. I am very bad at freehanding, so I am using paper template instead. After cutting out the shape, smooth out the edges with your finger. You can use water also. I did not had any candle, so the round paper you see here, I am using this as a candle to get a rough idea where I want to make the bend. The next part is very hard for me to explain in my limited English, so just watch what I am doing here. And I am making this one piece, then I am going to bend the lower part. But if you want, you can make them separately, like the top part and the bottom part. Then after they dry out completely, you can glue them together. I have to glue all of them together later, because unfortunately all of the bottom part broke because of my stupidity. I was moving them here and there when they are not dry. So yeah, anyway, I will suggest you to make them separately, then you can glue them after they dry out. That's the easy way, I think. And to make them as wall hangers, you have to make a hole on the top, and you can make all of them as wall hangers, but I don't have any place to hang them, so to show you guys, I am only going to make one of them as wall hangers, and others as just standalone. And if you have place, and if you want to make them as wall hangers, you have to just make a hole on the top. That way you can hang them in a wall or wherever you want. By the way, how was your festive season going, and how are you guys doing? And if you are Bengali, how was your Durga Puja? And because where I live, it was raining almost every single day of the puja, so I was just in my home, and just I didn't go anywhere. So yeah, that and Kali Puja was also coming, so I have a plan to go to one of my relatives' house. Let's see what's happened. If the weather stay good, then I probably going to visit one of my aunt's house. So yeah, how are you guys doing, and are you guys staying healthy and eating well? Let me know. Now that I'm done cutting all of my candle holders, I'm going to leave them to dry. And leave them to dry completely, guys. Don't be an idiot like me and move them around when they are wet and broke them. It was rainy, so I have to leave them to dry for 2 days. And yeah, but so they got broken, so I glue them with some waterproof glue and paper. So yeah, they are strong now. And if you want to make this, I made this as just a table, I don't know what it called, but if you want to make this flower shape candle holder as a wall hanging, you just have to make a hole on the top, and you have to make another separate part like this one where you can put the candle, and now that you can hang them in the wall. Now is most annoying part for me, that is painting, because I cannot figure out what colors goes with what, and I always mess it up. So just paint them however you like. And yeah, I'm really very bad at traditional painting. So, and I cannot draw unless I hold it really close to my eyes, so I wasn't able to film a lot of the painting process, but I tried to add as much as I can. So yeah, just enjoy, just do what paint you like, or just leave them as white. They are going to look good as white as well. So yeah. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys will try to make these candle holders. And yeah, just enjoy the rest of the video of these candle holders. And yeah, happy Kali Puja, happy Diwali. Stay healthy, stay safe, drink well, eat well, sleep well, and enjoy the festive season, enjoy the holidays. And what I'm going to say, and yeah, I'm super excited for One Punch Man season 3. And I think by the time I'm going to upload this video, they're going to air the season 3 first episode. So yeah, I'm super excited for that. Are you guys watching One Punch Man season 3? Let me know. Love you guys. Bye bye.